Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the November Boxycharm Regular monthly subscription. I just received mine today. I am impatiently waiting for the premium box to arrive, but I thought I would go ahead and unbox this today. I was kind of confused because my box was kind of jumbled, and then it had this card in it, which is the card for the month, which the theme is Stellar, and I received box 21, and I was like confused that I didn't get my card that mentioned what the products are, but it actually, you open it up. I guess I'm a little slow. So let's just get started. Alright, the first thing in my box was this palette. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It retails for $35. And I'm super excited to be trying this. I've never tried their shadows before. I will say it didn't come in a box or wrapped or anything, so I don't know what that's about. But these colors are gorgeous. The only ones that probably won't get much use for me is this blue. It's kind of a teal. And maybe this, I probably will use that one. Mostly probably just this color. Otherwise, it's a very pretty palette. Let's give some swatches. Okay. It looks like there's only 3 shimmers and 5 mattes. Really nice. Those are really nice. I've been wanting to try her shadows. I know she has a smaller palette on, I've seen on Sephora, I can't remember what it's called, but I've wanted to purchase her palette, so I'm really excited to kind of try those out to see what it's like. The next product that I received is from Juice Beauty. It is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I've in the past not been a huge fan of this brand. Most of their products have a distinct smell that smells to me like dirt. So yes, it'll be interesting to try this out. I've already taken it out of the box just because of that. Maybe I should smell it. Oh, it has a very interesting applicator. Let's see if it smells like dirt. I don't smell it. Maybe it was just that one product that I tried. Yeah, I don't smell anything. And it was really gel-like and kind of a thin consistency, especially for under eye. To me, the consistency would be more of a day eye cream. I'm not sure if they say... It doesn't say, but it does have vitamin C in it. Did I already say that? No. Okay. This retails for $50, so quite an expensive eye cream. I love getting eye creams, so I'm excited to have this. I'm excited there's no smell, and I'm wondering if I've given away all other products that I've received from this brand because of that. So I'm wondering if it was just that one product that smelled like dirt, but... Anyways, the next product that I got is from Dose of Color. It is their liquid matte lipstick. I have used these before. I own probably 2 or 3 of them. Of course, in nude, boring, basic colors. This is in red. I swear in all subscription boxes, they think I love red. But this could be a very pretty red. I just don't wear red very much. It does look to be kind of a blue red, which is, ooh, it is really pretty. I mean, maybe I'll try that on, especially for the holiday season coming up. It's it's hard to wear red. And I don't think that these are as easy to wear as the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I do have a red one in her brand, and I can wear that, and I know without a doubt it won't smear or get all over my face. These ones aren't as set. So that will concern me a little bit, but I do love Dose of Color, so it's a good product, and that retails for $18. All right, the next product that I got is from Pop Mask. These are Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Masks. I've never heard of this brand, nor have I heard of self-warming eye masks. Sounds interesting. It's nice. You get 2. Let's see what this says. They retail for $10. I'm assuming 2 of them for $10. Self-heating to encourage circulation on the eye area. depuffing and relaxing. So those sound kind of nice. I do prefer this over a sheet mask. I really don't like sheet masks at all. I can't even leave them on for 10 minutes before I'm pulling them off. Plus you look like Frankenstein when you have them on, and not that I care about that, but they're just not fun to use. And I don't even really like normal masks, you know, that you just put on. They're messy. It's just hard. But these with eye masks, I'm more likely to use it and probably more likely to enjoy it. So that was my next product. I also received real quickly the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer card. So I'm assuming that this is what I'm supposed to test to see which color I would be. The thing about this is they only give you 4 colors, and that's not very many. So they really don't need to send something like this out, because I would just say I'm the lightest one. I mean, I don't know. If they had like 20 colors, I could see them sending something like this out, but it just kind of, I don't know. Let me know what you think. The last product, and probably the product that I am most excited about, is from Versali. It is the Rose Gold Skin Mist. I have wanted to try Versali for so long, and I just never buy it. I don't. I don't know why. But this is one that I wanted to try. I know Jaclyn Hill has talked about it quite a bit. It has the gold flecks in it. It's really, really pretty. And let's see what this is supposed to do. Yeah, it doesn't say it's a makeup setting powder. A makeup setting spray. It just says for hydrating. There's no alcohol in it. It's $39. So it's more like maybe to kind of refreshen up. I don't know. Before, after makeup, you can't count on this to necessarily set your makeup, which is okay by me. I do love using these. I use these a lot when I'm doing my skincare. Couple products I usually spray my face with something like this before I put them on. So this will definitely get used for me. I am probably the most excited about this and the palette, I think, and the eye cream. I'm very happy this month. The red lip is, I mean, I could give or take, but I do like lipstick, so, you know, it is what it is. But it's a great month for Boxycharm. Now I just need to wait for my premium, because I cannot wait to get that. I want to fill the brushes, and I want to play with that blush palette so bad. So let me know what you got this month, if you got the same things that I did, if you're happy or not. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one.